Hello, today I'm reviewing this 50 feet extension cord, and I think this would be perfect like for indoor and outdoor, but I think it's mainly designed for outdoor. So like if you need to hook up your Christmas light, or like in our case, we're actually putting our fountain together for outdoor. And this one has a 15 amp capacity. It also has the lightning ends when you actually plug it in. It's also oil resistant, and it also has 3-wire ground. It's actually 50 feet long. It's from iron forged cable, and it's also URL listed. So let's actually go install it and see how much we like it. And here's our 50 feet cable. And we already plug in our fountain, we plug in fan for outdoor, and now I can actually show you how it all works when we all put it together. Overall, I highly recommend to check out this outdoor 50 feet cord because it's really helped out to set up our amazing space. It could also be perfect for your Christmas lights or any outdoor projects. Check it out, love it.